Standard 8 Maths Chapter 11 Mensuration. Hello everyone. So in last video we have discussed about the area of trapezium, area of general quadrilateral, area of rhombus and area of polygon. So we will start with exercise 11.2. Exercise 11.2. Now first question of this exercise says the shape of the top surface of a table is a trapezium. So there is a table, the surface of that particular table is of trapezium shape. Find its area if its parallel sides are 1 meter and 1.2 meter and perpendicular distance between them is 0.8 meters. So this is the table, this is the surface of the table. Okay, so these are parallel side and these are 1 meter and this is 1.2 meter and the perpendicular distance between them is, so this is 0.8 meters, this one. Okay, so this we have to calculate its area. Now how will you calculate area? So area of trapezium is equal to half sum of parallel side into distance or into height between those parallel side. Okay, perpendicular distance or height you can say. So this is the formula of area of a trapezium. Okay, so what is the sum of parallel side? This is 1 and 1.2. So this is 1 plus 1.2 into height is zero point 0.8 or 0.8. This is 1 by 2 into this will be 2.2 and this will be 0.8. So if we cancel out, this is 1.1 and it will be 0.88 meter square. So this will be the area of the trapezium, or this will be the area of the surface of the this table. Clear? Now next question. So next question says area of trapezium is 34 centimeter square. Length of one of the parallel side is 10 centimeter and its height is 4 centimeter. Find the length of the other parallel side. So in this area of the trapezium is given, one of the parallel side is given and height is given. So we have to find the length of the other parallel side. So first we draw the trapezium. This is the trapezium. Okay. One of the parallel side is given as 10 centimeter. Suppose this is 10 centimeter. Height is 4 centimeter and area is given as 34 centimeter square. So this is the side. Suppose this is A, B, C, D. So I have to find the length of AD. Okay. So area of trapezium, as we know, it will be half sum of parallel side, that is AD plus BC into this height. Suppose this is E into AE. Okay. So area of trapezium value is given as 34. We'll put the values. AD we have to find and BC is, this total BC is 10 centimeter. Okay. This is 80 plus 10 centimeter into A is 4 centimeter. Now we will see, we can just cancel out this 2. So this is 34. This is 80 plus 10 into 2. Okay. So it will give this AD plus 10. This 2 will go to that side. So it will become 34 upon 2. This is 70. Now AD plus 10 is 70. So what will the value of AD? 10 will go to that side. So AD will become 17 minus 10, that is 7 centimeter. So the length of AD will be 7 centimeter. So this length of other parallel side. Okay. So this was question number 2. I hope it's clear now. Now, third question. Length of the fence of a trapezium shaped field ABCD is 120 meter. Okay, so there is first we draw a trapezium. This is A, B, C, D. Length of the fence of trapezium shaped field is 120 meter if BC is 48 centimeter. So BC, value of BC is given 148 meter. CD is CD is 70 meters, so the value of this is given 70 centimeter. AD is 40 centimeter. Side AB is perpendicular to, so this this is the shape of this. Okay, somewhat this type, and this is AB. It is given ADB is perpendicular to this. So this is 48 meter. This is not centimeter, this is meter. 48 meter. Now this is perpendicular to. Now what we have to find? Area of this field we have to find. Okay. So for this we should know the value of AB, because area of trapezium will be half into sum of these parallel sides into the perpendicular distance between these two parallel sides. Okay, now one thing is given, length of the fence of trapezium. As I've explained, when we have to calculate the fence when we have to do the fencing of field or of any particular shape, so then we will calculate this perimeter. So this length of fence of trapezium around ABCD will be 120 meter. So fencing means we are covering the external boundary, this BC plus this CD plus AD plus AB. Okay, so this in this case perimeter, this length is equal to the perimeter of trapezium. So perimeter of trapezium is given to us. Okay, it will be equal to AB plus BC plus CD plus AD. So this is the perimeter's value. So it is given as 120. Now AB we have to find. BC we have 48. CD we have 17. AB we have 40. So this is 120 plus AB, sorry, 120 equals to AB plus, this is 5, 5, 6, okay, 10. So this is, so from here AB will be equal to 120 minus 105, that's come out to be 15 meters. So the value of AB is 15 meter. Now we can easily calculate the area of trapezium. Area of trapezium ABCD will be equal to half sum of parallel sides. Parallel sides are AD plus BC into this height. So it will be 1 by 2. This is 40 plus 48 into 50. Okay. So this is 1 by 2. This will become 88. So this is 44 into 15. 660 meters square. So this is the area of trapezium. Okay. Now next question. So the next question is question number 4. The diagonal of a quadrilateral shaped field is 24 meter. So the value of diagonal is given. The perpendicular drop on it from the remaining opposite vertices are 8 meter and 13 meter. Find the area of this field. Okay. So here is a quadrilateral. This is the diagonal. We can name it as A, B, C, D. One of the diagonal perpendicular from the opposite vertices is, suppose this is DE and the value of DE is 13 meter. Okay, and this is BF. This is 8 meter, and the value of AC is 24 meter. So I have explained so that this diagonal AC is dividing this quadrilateral into two triangles, not equal, because this is not a case of parallelogram or rectangle or okay. So this is AC is dividing this quadrilateral into two parts. So the first triangle is ABC and second is ABC. So I have explained how to calculate area of such quadrilateral. Area of quadrilateral ABCD equals to 1 by 2 into diagonal AC plus height of sum of height of these perpendiculars. Okay, so this is DE plus BF. So this is a I have explained how we have derived this formula in last video, so you can check out there. So this is 1 by 2. AC is 24. This is 13 plus 8. So this is 12. So this is 12 into 21. So this is 252 meter square. So the area of this quadrilateral ABCD is 252 meter square. Now fifth question. Question number 5. Question number 5 says diagonal of rhombus are 7.5 and 12 centimeter. Find the area. So this is the rhombus. All sides are equal and diagonals are given. This is A, B, C, D. Diagonals AC and diagonals BD. Value are given 7.5 centimeter and this is 12 centimeter. So the area of rhombus, how we have calculated? Half of the product of diagonals. Area of rhombus ABCD equals half, that is AC, product of diagonal. One diagonal is AC and another diagonal is BD. AC into BD. So this AC is 7.5 and this BD is 12. So this is 45 centimeter square. So this is the area of rhombus ABCD. Now question number 6. Find the area of rhombus whose side is 5 centimeter and whose altitude is 4.8 centimeter. One of the diagonal is 8 centimeter long, and find the length of the other diagonal. Now, this is bit tricky. So, suppose you have a rhombus. This is A, B, C, D. Now, we will draw the diagonals also. This is AC. This is okay. So, what we have been given, one side is 5 centimeter. So, every side will be 5 centimeter. This will be 5, this will be 5, because all the four sides of a rhombus are equal. Clear? So, this is given and altitude is given. What is altitude? If we draw perpendicular distance, this DE. So, value of D is given. This is 4.8 centimeters. One of diagonal, say AC is given. AC is given as 8 centimeter. So, we have to find the length of BD, another diagonal. We have to find BD and area. So, these two things are to be found. Now, as I already told when I was discussing the properties of quadrilaterals or properties of all these things, there is each diagonal, either this AC or this BD. This divide rhombus into two equal triangles, or two congruent triangles. Now, this diagonal BD, is dividing this rhombus ABCD into two congruent triangle or equal triangle, and the triangles are triangle ABD and triangle BCD. These are two equal triangles. Now, if we can calculate the area of one of these triangle, we just double it and we will get the area of this rhombus. Okay. So, we will find area of triangle, this ABD. Now, why we are taking this ABD? Because we have been given the base, which is one of the side of the rhombus, and we have been provided the altitude. Okay, and the area of triangle is half base into height. So, it will be half this AB. AB is the base and DE is the altitude. So, this is 1 by 2. AB is 5 and DE is 4.8. So, this is 2.4. So area of triangle ABD is 12 centimeter square. So the area of rhombus will be, area of ABCD or rhombus will be 2 into area of triangle ABD, because these two triangles are equal. So it will become 2 into 12, or this is 24 centimeter square. Okay, area of rhombus ABCD is 24 centimeter square. What else? And there is one more formula of area of rhombus ABCD is, so area of rhombus ABCD, what was that? Half into product of diagonal, that is half into AC into BD. This was the formula. So area of rhombus, from here we have calculated 24 centimeter. This is half, and value of AC is given 8 centimeter, and we have to calculate the length of BD. So from here, this BD into 4 equals 24 centimeter. So the length of BD will be 24 upon 4, that is 6 centimeter. So the length of another diagonal is 6 centimeter. I hope this is clear how we have calculated this. So first we have calculated the area of rhombus by just doubling the area of triangle, and then by putting the formula we have calculated length of another diagonal. Okay, so rest of the questions we will discuss in our next video. Thank you.